Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're opening the clock app now. Start by granting permissions so alarms and calendar events work reliably. Once done, confirm your device time zone and enable automatic updates to avoid drift. Next, tap the Alarm tab and create a new alarm. Pick time, repeat days, and label so you recognize it. Make sure volume and do not disturb exceptions allow the alarm to sound. These first steps prevent missed alerts and sync problems later. Now you'll build the core functionality. Set timers for tasks and save presets for reuse. This speeds repetitive workflows. For timing workouts or experiments, use the stopwatch and record laps, export or screenshot results if you need a record. To manage meetings across zones, add world clocks and set one as primary so you can compare local time quickly. As you configure, adjust sound and vibration per item. That ensures you get the right alert style for each mode. Finish by automating where possible. Link alarms to routines or bed modes so actions trigger without manual steps. Once configured, test each alarm and timer to confirm sounds, snooze behavior, and interactions with Do Not Disturb. Make final adjustments to labels, repeat patterns, and volume. If something goes wrong, check notification permissions and battery optimization first. If alarms still fail, clear app data or reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.